If you are an UPSC aspirant, this is a must-watch video for you. Here are top 5 news from the Indian Express newspaper of 1st May. So come, let's have a look. The first news is rupee breaches 95 mark amid fresh war concerns spike in oil prices. Now the Indian rupee has hit record low, breaching the 95 per dollar mark due to escalating West Asia tensions and Brent crude surging to $126 per barrel. Investor apprehension over potential military action in Iran and cautious US Fed commentary have fueled the currency's 4% decline since February. This becomes highly important for GS paper 3, Indian economy, energy security and external sector. Moving forward to the next news. The second news is, could it have too many tigers? Why Madhya Pradesh faces this question and what are the answers? Now, Madhya Pradesh faces a unique challenge as its tiger population nears 1,000, testing the state's carrying capacity while numbers rose 155% since 2008. Shrinking natural corridors and depleted prey bases in fragmented forests prevent natural dispersal, escalating human-animal conflict and retaliatory killings. Experts suggest habitat restoration and assisted translocation to underpopulated forests in Odisha or Jharkhand as potential solutions. Now this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 3, environment, conservation and ecology. Now moving forward to the third news, that is why Supreme Court is looking at the way brain death is certified. Now Supreme Court is exploring updates to brain death certification protocols, considering objective tests like EEG or angiograms alongside current bedside clinical exams, while aimed at increasing transparency and potentially boosting India's low organ donation rates. Experts warn that mandatory high-tech tests might overwhelm smaller hospitals and further reduce donor numbers. Current NOTO guidelines require a 4-member board to confirm the irreversible cessation of brain stem functions twice over 12 hours. This becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 and GS paper 3, Health and Governance, Organ Act, Judiciary and Ethics. Then the fourth news is, one heat wave is over but more may be on the way. Now India has seen a temporary respite from the first week-long heat wave due to light rainfall, but IMD, India Meteorological Department, warns of more spells ahead. So this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 1 and GS paper 3, Geography, Environment and Climate and Disaster Management. The last news is, Iran's supreme leader has reaffirmed the protection of nuclear missile capabilities as national assets while threatening painful strikes against the United States. Now this becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 and GS paper 3, International Relations, Energy Security and Global Security. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.